Forgot your Instagram password? In 1 minute, I'll show 3 quick reset methods. First, open the Instagram app, tap the profile icon, then tap Login. On the login screen, choose Forgot Password. We'll demonstrate username, email, and SMS options. Method 1. Reset with your username. Enter it and tap Next to continue. Choose Send Login Link to get an in-app message or a link via email. Method 2. Reset via your registered email. Tap Send Email and check your inbox. Method 3. Reset using your phone number. Request an SMS with the code link. Open the link or enter the code, then create a strong new password you'll remember. If you don't receive a message, check spam, verify contact details, or try a different method. Still locked out? Visit Instagram's Help Center on the web and follow account recovery steps. Quick tips: enable 2-factor authentication and add a recovery email or phone number now. You're back in. Follow the on-screen captions for the full walkthrough and stay secure.